Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
One. What? Emily do yesterday? A. Do. B. Did. C. Done. D. Doing. Two. She to school yesterday. A. Going. B. Goes. C. Went. D. Gone. Three. We a delicious lunch last week. A. Had. B. Have. C. Having. D. Has. Four. She me a letter a year ago. A. Writes. B. Write. C. Wrote. D. Writing. Five. My workplace 2 weeks ago. A. Visiting. B. Visits. C. Visited. D. Has visited. Six. My phone at the store last night. A. Forgetted. B. Forgot. C. Forgets. D. Forgetting. Seven. When I left the house, the wolf, me. A. Attacking. B. Attacked. C. Attack. D. Attacks. Eight. I went to the north when I 16 years old. A. Was. B. Were. C. Am. D. Are. Nine. Last night a shadow by the window. A. Seen. B. See. C. Saw. D. Sees. Ten. She herself a new bag. A. Bought. B. Buy. C. Buys. D. Buying. Eleven. He a big decision last night. A. Make. B. Made. C. Makes. D. Making. Twelve. We our car keys last night. A. Lose. B. Losing. C. Loses. D. Lost. Thirteen. My food and slept. A. Ate. B. Ate. C. Eat. D. Eating. 14. He, the tree while the bear was following him. A, climbed. B, climb. C, climbing. D, climbs. "15. The husband on the sofa after coming. A, sleeps. B, sleep. C, slept. D, sleeping. "16. Last night a voice from the forest. A, hear. B, heard. C, hears. D, hearing. "17. I remember that she a bicycle yesterday. A, ride. B, rode. C, riding. D, rides. "18. The cat and released many mice. A, catched. B, catch. C, caught. D, catches. "19. She a lot and left. A, talking. B, talked. C, talk. D, talks. "20. She numbers by concentrating and succeeded. A, memorize. B, memorized. C, memorizing. D, memorizes. "21. This house last summer. A, built. B, build. C, builds. D, building. "22. He a cake for his birthday. A, bake. B, baked. C, bakes. D, baking. "23. The window and the stone fell inside. A, breaks. B, break. C, broke. D, breaking. "24. The ball hard yesterday. A, threw. B, throw. C, throws. D, throwing. "25. Elizabeth a tasty dinner yesterday. A, cooks. B, cooked. C, cooking. D, cook.